morning, students. So previous class we had discussed about different properties for of whole numbers, like closure property and commutative property. Okay, so closure property, it's closed under addition and for a multiplication, and even commutative property is also that properties are satisfied for a addition and for a multiplication. Okay, so let the next we can discuss about the next property, associative property. The first we can check for is it satisfy or not for addition, that we can discuss by using some examples. Addition. So a plus b plus c, that is equal to a plus b plus c. Here we are considering the three whole numbers. In commutative property we had used three or two properties, more than two also we can use. Here we had considered three whole numbers. A, B and C are the whole numbers. Okay. So now, for example, 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2. So here we considered two whole numbers we had written inside the bracket. So that is equal, just we are changing the brackets, the position of the numbers as it is same, A, B, C. A, B, C. The positions are same. We changed only the brackets. Okay. Here we had written the bracket. Just we removed this bracket and we had put for A and B. So now, so 5 plus 3 plus t means that's equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2. So now for simplify inside the bracket, always according to the BODMAS theory, we have to simplify inside the bracket first. So 3 plus 2 is 5, that is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2, 10 is equal to 10, LHS is equal to RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. I'll take one more example. 7 plus 0 plus 4, that is equal to 7 plus 0 plus 4. Just the position of the numbers are same. Just we have to change the brackets. Illi the bracket annu ee eradakke hakidini aste. So now simplify. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 0 is 7 plus 4. So 11 is equal to 11. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, associative property is satisfied for addition of the whole number. The conclusion is associative property is satisfied for addition of the whole number. Addition of the whole number. Associative property is satisfied for the addition of the whole number. Okay. So now, I hope you clear this example. Okay. So now I'll give one more example. Okay, this is clear, right? Now I'll take the multiplication. Is it satisfied or not for multiplication? I'll consider the multiplication. So multiplication here, instead of plus we have to write into. A into of bracket B into C, that is equal to A into B into C. The example 1. 5 into 3 into 2, that is equal to, here also put the position of the numbers as it is same, we have to change only the brackets. So 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 into, inside the bracket simplify first, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15 into 2. 6 5s are 30, 15 2s are 30. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. I'll take one more example. 3 into 5 into 0, that is equal to 3 into 5 into 0. 0 is also an whole number, isn't it? So 3 into 5 into 0 is 0. 3 into 5 is 15 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 15 into 0 is 0. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So what is the conclusion? So therefore, associative property is satisfied for multiplication of the whole number. Therefore, the conclusion is associative property is satisfied for multiplication of the whole number. Multiplication of the associative property is satisfied for multiplication of the whole number. So we concluded associative property is satisfied for addition, and even it is satisfied for a multiplication of the whole number. Next we can discuss next operation that we can take. Is it satisfied for subtraction and for division or not? Okay. So the next, we can check subtraction and division. Subtraction and division. Subtraction and division. Subtraction and division. We can take some examples. 5 minus 3 minus 2. 5 minus 3 minus 2, that is equal, just change the bracket. 5 minus 3 minus 2. The operation is here minus, negative, minus operation, subtraction here. But we are changing only the brackets. Here we had put the bracket in LHS. Just change the LHS bracket into put here for 5 and for 3. So now simplify inside the bracket. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is equal, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 2. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Is this LHS equal to RHS? No. LHS is 4. RHS is 0. Both are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. So what is the conclusion? Therefore the conclusion is associative property does not satisfy for a subtraction of the whole number. I'll take one division problem. I'll take here one division problem. 5 divide 3 divide 4 divide 2, that is equal to 5 divide 4 divide by 2. So ಏನಾಯಿತು 5 divided by 4 by 2, that is equal 5 by 4 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 5 by 4 divided by 2, whole divided by 2. 5 by 2, that is equal 5 by 4 into 1 by 2. That is the reciprocal of the number 2. Actually you don't have this concept. Next year you have this concept in the 7th standard. So 5 by 2, that is equal to, we have tried the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So 5 by 8, 5 into 1 is 5, 4 2s are 8. One is 5 by 2, another one is 5 by 8. Both are not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So these are all not equal. So the conclusion is associative property does not satisfy for a subtraction and division of the whole number. So the associative property does not satisfy subtraction and division of whole number. Does not satisfy. Division and subtraction of a whole number. Division and subtraction of whole number. Okay. So same like closure property, commutative property, and even though associative property, these three properties are satisfied only for addition and multiplication. Okay. So the next property, one more, the last property is a distributive property over multiplication under addition. Okay. So distributive property. Distributive property, the next. The general form of distributive property is A into B plus of B plus A into of B plus C. So that is equal to, we have to multiply A into B plus A into C. So the RHS is A into B plus A into C. This is the general form of distributive property. This is a general form of distributive property. Multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition.